Okay, so now we've got our title on. We want to get some more content on. So there's there's three major bits of content. There's sound, video, but we're going to start with images. To get an image, you have to have downloaded it to your area first. So you have to have saved it to your area. I have on here saved lots of files. So I have saved files that are images, files that are songs, okay, lots and lots of different things. So to start to add our images, this little black line here is the timeline. So wherever I put it, they will appear. Okay, so I'm going to pop it at the end of this so it appears afterwards, and I'm going to insert my images. So to do that, I click on Home, and I go Add Videos and Photos, and I'm going to go to where I have saved them, which is in here. Notice that it's videos and photos. So these ones here are videos. You can tell because they've got a bigger size. They've also got the VLC player logo. The other ones are pictures. Now I could add one picture at a time, but it's easier if you hold the control key down, so CTRL, you can click on different ones and you can add different pictures. And when I've got the ones I want, I click open. You can also use this arrow here to go to large icons to actually see what they look like. And this way you can tick them as well at the top. So when I've got them, I click open, and here we go. I've got now a list of images here, one after the other. Okay, like before, if I run them, sometimes it takes quite a while to be on that image. So again, edit tools, take the duration down. So I'm going to have 3 seconds for each of these. 3 seconds here. This one, 3 seconds. So they move quite quickly. Okay, and then if I drag my timer back, my video now comes in. Welcome to my movie. 3 seconds on that one. 3 seconds on that one. So on and so forth. If I want to move those pictures around, it's quite easy to move. If I think actually I want that one first, because it's got an overview of different types of devices, I can click on it and drag it to where I want it. So there we go, I've dragged it first. The same with titles. Now if you drag these around, I can move the title here. I can move that around. Okay. So I've got some images in and I know how to move those about. I can also go to this bit here that says animations, and I can go to this bit here that says visual effects. Now animations are how we move from one picture to the next. So if I was to click on this picture and I said, right, I want this, you should be able to see what happened there was it faded into another one. These are sometimes called transitions. So I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to choose, so there's an arrow there, so I've got even more I can choose from. Let's have this cloud one. So when I run that, it does the cloud. So it now does that transition, and now it does the cloud. You might be able to see there, just there, there's a little diagonal line. That just shows you that it's got transition. Okay, there are also these transitions as well. That's pan and zoom. That will do it just to the picture that you're on. Okay, so it doesn't do it where it changes to the next one. It just does it if I show you to that picture. So that's sort of an effect, and you can see by these little dots here, there's an effect on it. The other sort is visual effects. Now visual effects basically change the look of them. You've got lots of effects. You've got artistic, black and white, cinematic mode. The motions and fades one change. So I'll just show you that. If I put on this one, can you see it stays the same? If I put on a motion and fade, let's say this one, it changes as it goes along. So there we have it. We've inserted some images. We've put those images in. We've gone to the video tool and we have taken down the amount of time it was. it is on. We've then gone to animations and put in transitions, which we can see with this line here and this sort of grey sort of box. We've put on special effects that move with pattern effect, and we've put on some visual effects overall as well. Okay. So have a go at that, adding any images and putting some effects and transitions on them.